Hey guys, it's Mariah here, and today I'll be showing my detailed wash day routine because a lot of people ask me in which order do I wash my hair. So please stay tuned and give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. First, I am starting with unbraiding my hair because I had a pre-poo condition treatment in my hair for around 30 minutes, and I pre-poo first just because it helps my hair stay moisturized since I shampoo my hair every week. So this helps a lot. And then I move on to conditioning, and the conditioner I use is the Alba Botanica Mega Moisture Conditioner. This one is my absolute favorite, and I do not stray away from this conditioner at all. And then I detangle my hair from the ends up. Usually I'll have more sections than this, but I did pre-detangle my hair. But I use the wet brush to detangle my hair. It is amazing and it really gets the job done without snagging my hair and making it break. Then after that, I will rinse that out of my hair completely and I will go in with some shampoo. I use the Shea Moisture Intense Hydration Manuka Honey shampoo, and I just put this on my scalp and I make sure to really cleanse my scalp and make sure it's clean because a healthy scalp is for good hair growth. And I use this vibrating hair massaging brush and it feels so good, but my arms get tired after using it for a while. Then I rinse that out of my hair and I'm about to start deep conditioning. So the deep conditioner I use today is the 3-minute Miracle Moisture by Aussie Moist. Oh my gosh. And I put that in my hair and I just let it sit for the rest of my shower, and then I will do my other shower activities. So I will see you guys in a minute. So I wait till I get out of the shower and then I rinse it out in the sink with cold water just because I can't be brave enough to just turn the cold water on inside the shower. And then after this I just put my hair in a protective style because this is week 2 of July, so I need to protect my hair. And yeah, basically this is the regimen I do in this order because it grows my hair the most, I noticed, and I just do this every week, every Friday, and it just works out for me and it really retains the length for me. And if you guys want a video explaining in depth why it retains length for me, I will make another video on that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button to show your love and support for my channel, and peace out, loves.